Hello there and welcome to Care Not's training program for caregivers. The skill that we are going to show you today is how to transfer a client from bed to wheelchair using a transfer gait belt. So let's have a look.
The gait belt. The supplies you will need will be a wheelchair and a gait belt.
Come in.
Hi, Miss West. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Great. I'm going to help you get up out the bed today.
Okay.
And I'm going to help you get from your bed to your wheelchair.
Okay.
Okay? We're going to use a little thing called a gait belt that's going to go around your waist. I'm going to put that on over your clothing, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. I'm going to close our curtain, providing privacy. Ready? Okay, are you ready?
I think so.
Very good. I'm going to help you get up.
Okay.
You ready? There we go. I'm going to have your feet dangling from the bed. I'm going to put her shoes on before I get her out of bed. Here we go. Very good. Okay. Remember the gait belt I told you about?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the gait belt. I'm going to put it around your waist, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Great. Your feet are flat on the floor.
You won't hurt me, baby. It's all right.
I have to take good care of you. I've ensured that the gait belt is to the side of the patient's navel area. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready to stand down?
I think I am.
Very good. I'm going to help stabilize your legs. Okay? Hands beside you, please, ma'am. And the bed is locked.
Can I hold? No, I have to hold the bed?
Right on the bed. Yes, ma'am. You're doing just great.
All right.
On 3. We're going to stand nice and tall. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay? We're going to move over now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. All right. Do you feel the chair at the back of your legs?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I'm going to sit you down now, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm going to check to see if your back and your bottom are against the back of the chair, okay?
Okay.
All right? Okay. I'm going to pull you back a little bit to get you more comfortable, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's better.
Very good. Okay, let's put your feet up. How's that?
That's good.
Very good. Okay. I'm going to take the belt off. I'm going to pull it a little bit. Okay. I'm going to give you your call light so you can call me when you're ready to go back in the bed, okay?
Okay.
All right. Is there anything else I can get you?
I'm fine, I think. Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
That concludes the training for how to transfer a client from bed to wheelchair using a transfer gait belt. Visit us at carenots.com for all your caregiving job opportunities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this training inspires you to learn more and do your caregiving jobs in a proper way.